All right, gonna take the giants out on the trail, get some footage, make it good. Tundra. Starting the trail right now, going down, starting off. How's Blake doing? Don't fall. Taking a water break. River. You doing good?
Yeah.
Get back on the trail.
Oh, that was good, Mike.
All right, better not fall. It'd be embarrassing to get on video. We've got to be maybe 4 miles in. Avoided a fall. Got some narrow trees, Blakey. Very cool tree going through. Came through here along the bridge going up and over. Still en route to where, I don't know. How's he doing? You got it?
Yeah. Good, bro.